There we go. I guess I don't know what happened there, but I am live streaming just for a few minutes. We're going to be doing fixing something in PostCSS, and also I want to try and deploy Remix to Cloudflare Workers because I know it can be done and other people have done it, but I've never done it, and so I'm going to try that. So that's what we're working on, and it's going to be a good time. So let me just share my screen. So I have a pull request on the PostCSS CLI to solve a problem. I'm going to post a link to this in our Discord channel. So if you want to chat along and stuff, go to my Discord, go to KCD Meetup. I just noticed I have a message from a friend here, so let me just see. Let me find a link to this thing for them. Okay, cool. Sweet. So the problem that I'm trying to solve is if the file is unchanged, so we're going to read the file and we compare it. If they're the same, then we don't do anything. There's no reason to save the file. So that's what we're doing, and it works right now. But the maintainer is concerned that this could be a performance problem, and so I am putting together an example of this. Okay, there we go. So for one file, it takes 0.7 milliseconds to read that file, and it's a very large file. If we go to files, yeah, so they're all exactly the same, and that is, what is that? That's in kilobytes. Whoa. Divided by 1024. Is that, maybe that's bytes, and so this is 111 kilobytes. That makes sense. So it's not like very often that you're going to have a file so big, and it takes like no time at all. Oh, where'd it go? Node. Yeah. So that one took 11 milliseconds, but yeah, normally it's less than a millisecond. Pretty fast, but then I wanted to see what happens if you have 100 of those, just to like take it to the max. And so that's what we're going to do here. A function 100 files and console.time, yep, 100 files, and sure, thanks Copilot. And instead of 0, 1, I just named them all 0, 1 copy, and then there we go. So we've got 1, and we'll call this 0. Okay, cool. So now we can go from 0 to 100, and there we go. Now let's try 100 files. This is probably going to take a couple, like maybe a second or so. That's my guess. So let's try that. 15 milliseconds. Okay. So here, let's see. Okay. Just did some testing here, and I mean, my machine is pretty fast, but like 100 files that are over 100 kilobytes big, and it's 15 milliseconds, even on a really slow machine, that's still going to be very fast. So that's what I'm going to say. Okay, I guess this is JS technically. With that, those CSS files are all 111 kilobytes of this. Or each 100 kilobytes of this copy pasted over and over. my output on my fast machine is it's pretty darn fast. Feel free to watch. I'm live streaming right now for yourself. Here, and I'll just give them a link to this YouTube. There we go. 1 second, I'm just checking out something. Okay, and I was gonna do this. Here we go. Grab that thing, paste it here. Man, you are not far behind me. My goodness. Oh, that's a little farther behind. All right, sweet. So then we paste it right here. So I think this is fine. Though if you'd like to add an opt-out option, then I could do that, but I kind of think that should be some added complexity that we should add only if necessary, since doesn't seem to be much of a problem. Okay. Sweet. So hopefully we get this merged. This will solve a couple of annoyances with Remix. Now I get to do some fun stuff. Let's see how fast we can deploy to Cloudflare workers. So, let's see. Yeah. npx create remix at latest. Loadest. Nope, that is not right. Latest. Sorry. Okay, so this is my Cloudflare deployed app. And we're going to deploy this to Cloudflare workers in TypeScript. And yes, I'd like an install. And while that's going, oh, rats, I always do that. We need to cd into my, what did I call it? Cloudflare deployed app. There we go. And now we'll open that up in VS Code. Let's get rid of this. And we look at the README. Ryan laments that people don't actually read the README. They always just open up the package.json. It's true. That's what I do. Okay, so we'll be running two processes, the Miniflare server and the Remix dev server. So that makes sense. Miniflare server. Open up this and that. And yeah, okay, cool. Let's try that. npm run dev. And whoops, I want to run these side by side. npm start. Neat. Okay, cool. Then we open up this. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. So, good. We can use concurrently to run it in one tab. That's fine for me right now. Use Wrangler to build and deploy your application. If you, oh, here, let's wrap. If you don't have it yet, follow the installation guide. I think I don't have it yet. Maybe, I think I may have installed it once. Wrangler. Nope, okay. Oh, that's right, this is a new machine. So I may have had it on my last one, but I don't have it now. So I can do this. Sure, I'll install global stuff. Why not? EXS error, something, something. Hopefully we don't have a problem. Cargo. Install. Oh, okay. So I just care about installing with npm. Good. Sweet. That was easy. Be sure to authenticate the CLI. Let's authenticate. Yeah, this part, I want to actually make a Cloudflare account with my Remix profile. So I'm going to go to Remix. And we're going to move this over because I love you all so much. But I kind of feel like some people might watch this in the hopes of stealing my credentials and whatnot. So we're gonna do this over here. Okay, we're gonna make a new. Can I generate this? Why can't I generate this? Why can't? Well, that's weird. Normally, it will just let me generate a random password, but I'll go ahead and just do that like this. Copy this nonsense. And cancel that. Don't save, and then we'll just paste that there and save. Boom, login. There we go. Did not match. Oh, right, because I'm trying to sign up. And now Cloudflare thinks that I don't know what a bus looks like. For crying out loud. There's a bus. Is that a train or a bus? I don't know. There's a bus. That's definitely a bus. For sure a bus. Redirecting. Okay, good. So, why is it doing that? No. Can't at remix.run. Must contain a JIT. Well, for goodness sake. Okay, Cloudflare. It's hard to make accounts these days, folks. Create account. There we go. Account is being created. Very good. Okay, cool. So I've got an account now. And for authenticating, Darius, you're hilarious. Darius, hilarious. Okay. Cloudflare system, you have a user that can have multiple accounts and zones, blah, 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 blah. Okay, it probably matters, but I don't care right now. Wrangler. Okay, something happened. Cool. Wrangler login. Yes, allow it. Whoa, I'm going to have to do this really fast. Don't copy that. Allow. Hopefully that expires. Gosh dang it. I'm pretty sure that'll expire. Here, we're just going to... Whoop. What the heck? Okay, I've generated authorization. Sweet. I am now authorized. That's good. Okay, so next is... yeah, we've authenticated. And now we run deploy, because we've probably got a package.json deploy script. Nice. npm run deploy. Well, that's neat. For crying out loud, 404, what? Updating site files, there's error fetching domain. All right. Let's try that again. Wrangler. Publish. Maybe you just need to do it twice. There's an error that's fetching your site. Okay, maybe I need to confirm my email or something. And they just have a bad error message. Let's try that. Your email is now valid. Okay, good. You don't have any sites. Well, that makes sense. Workers. Set up a subdomain. Oh, okay. I need to set it up first. Let's, it didn't say anything. Subdomain. Yeah. If you don't have it yet, okay. So I think I've got Remix open somewhere. Let's open up Remix. And I'm going to make a PR to templates, workers, readme. If you don't already have an account, then create one here. And where is here? I don't know. Let's find out. Cloudflare. Sign up. Create a Cloudflare Cloudflare account here. And after verifying your email address, here, let's wrap your email address with Cloudflare. Go to your dashboard and set up your free custom Cloudflare workers subdomain. That's exactly what it says. Let's see if we can, well, yeah, we probably don't. I can't link to it because it has like my ID in there, so. Set up, boom, I've set up mine. I'm just gonna see if there's anything else. Continue with free. Why did it stick me back here? Can't remix. Not available. What? Okay, that's weird. Okay, good. I think that's all that we need to do. Get the Kent Cloudflare workers, or Cloudflare workers, I think it's CW, is what they do. Read me update. Commit docs, or yeah, docs template, or Cloudflare worker. Add note to template about new account. Okay, cool. And then this is going to ask me for a PR. And I will create that, except I opened it up in the wrong browser window. We want this one. Okay. What the devil? Oh, that's right. The base is set to main. What? Come on. I wonder if there's a way to make it default to have the base set to dev. In fact, maybe dev would be the correct default branch. I'm just going to company. Should we make dev the default branch? That would make, in the repo settings, that would make everyone who clones the repo and makes PRs, make those to the dev branch instead of main, which I think is what we want most of the time. Okay, cool. Anyway, one commit there, create pull request. Also, I'm deploying my first remix app to Cloudflare workers right now, and bumped into this. Okay, cool. Sweet. Good. So I think actually we've got it right here. I just need to find where the URL is. Here's a quick edit. Manage service. Where's the URL? Is it just remix Cloudflare workers .kent? Oh, I have no idea actually where it would be. So let's just try this one more time. See what happens. Sweet. There we go. Site cannot provide a secure connection. Well, that's not good. Oh, there it is. Routes. Huh. Well, I can't do HTTP in Brave, so if we do Firefox, then I can be insecure. Just as insecure as Firefox because it's not the main primary browser. Just kidding. Not secure. Yeah, it won't even let me go. No cipher overlap. Okay, well. That is unfortunate. I wonder if it happened because I deployed this before. Yeah, if I deployed this first, before I had my subdomain thing set up. I wonder how I can control this. Okay, so Cloudflare Workers works. Let's try that. Okay, we got a new thing. Nope, same deal. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna go to Discord then. Okay, going down to Cloudflare. Just tried deploying my first Remix app to a Cloudflare Workers for the first on a brand new Cloudflare account, and I'm getting a weird SSL error. Okay, I'm gonna see. Oh, my wife just sent me a message. 1 second. Yes, I've got to go. It is time to go to my son's birthday party and stuff. It's not his birthday today, but it is his party day. Anton just asked, does Remix have any kind of analog of eject? No, there's nothing like eject. There's no way to like configure the underlying tools. Configure trust relation. Yeah, okay, that was something else. Yeah, so there's no way to eject, but there's not really much to configure. Well, I don't know, but yeah, there's no way to configure the underlying tools. But it's amazing what we can build without needing to. Okay, yeah, so that's as far as we can get. I'm not sure what it is. I'm just going to go over to the Cloudflare Workers thing. Anyone have a clue why this may be? Okay, and that's it. Okay, that was fun. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you all in the future. And hopefully that post-CSS CLI thing gets merged, because that would be great. Yeah, peace.